This 2025 Keystone Bullet Crossfire 229OBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features a Tranquil Timber interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.